As you're watching this video, you're going to realise that supporting your divorcing staff can increase employee productivity. Now, I don't have to tell you that great businesses are built on committed employees, right? Well, here's the thing. Research shows divorce is the second most stressful time in a person's life. And here in Australia, 40,000 plus people get divorced annually. And that figure does not include those couples who are separated. And as you are aware, the higher up the corporate ladder a person is, the greater their wage, and in many cases, financial responsibility to their families. So it's understandable that they have these increased stress and overwhelm caused by this personal situation, not to mention their job role. But ultimately, this could be costing you as the employee money. So please realise that caring for your divorcing staff can bring a heartbeat into your corporation. And it's easy to see, is it not, that costly mistakes and loss of focus is preventable. Like many businesses, recruiting and training is time-consuming and costly, and no company wants to lose a valuable team member when all that person needed was a helping hand and a splitsville policy. And you can notice your reputation grow as staff are forever grateful and loyal when you've supported them through these darkest days. So what steps should you implement in your business to have this success? Make sure your HR team is well versed and prepared. Just like any mental health policy, separation and divorce is no different, and it goes without saying, an open door policy works wonders. Providing training to support your policy and empower other members of your staff to look out for signs of hopelessness, because being prepared, planned and protected are the keys to a successful divorce. Consider flexible hours or working from home. Increased stress comes from having too many balls in the air and feeling like you are letting everyone down, especially the kids. And then maybe consider a concierge service. This is a practical approach for conscientious corporations who refer their valuable staff to the professionals who can put together a personalised service and strategy. If you'd like to know more, contact us at support@Tanya Somerton to find out about our 5 steps to a seamless divorce program.